ahead, Zach.
Hey, Larry. This is my girlfriend's car. It's a '07 Ford Edge, and it has 3 lights on the cluster. The windshield washer, the door ajar, and the gas cap. And I pulled the lights out of the interior because they were on all night. They're on all the time. And I was wondering, how do I fix that?
You did. You pulled the lights out of the instrument cluster?
No. Out of the interior lights, the door ajar, because it says there's a door open, but the doors are closed. So the interior lights stayed on. Yeah,
so you pulled you took the interior light out so it wouldn't run the battery down.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. This is the situation. All right. The fuel cap thing, I don't even know why that's something that even come up, or even they'd put it on a dash, an instrument cluster. All the times that light's come on, I don't think I've ever seen a loose gas cap in my life. What it is, it's got an evaporative emissions code in the system, and that means that there's an evaporative system leak somewhere in the car. And the way those are located is we hook a smoke machine to the vehicle on the evaporative emissions part, and we turn on the machine and we look for a smoke show, and that's going to tell us whether we got a leaky solenoid or whether we've got a hose loose underneath the car or something going on, charcoal canister. That's got to be diagnosed and figured out. A lot of times those issues don't really cause any drivability problems, but it is something that should be addressed. The most likely your door latch switch in the driver's door is probably stuck in the open position, and it's not it's not breaking contact whenever the door is shut, so it's not turning everything off inside the car like it's supposed to. Let's see, we got the door light, we got the evaporative fuel system. What else? Did you throw one more thing at me? I think that was it, wasn't it?
Well, windshield washer light is on and it's full and working.
Okay, well now that's a level sensor that's probably bad in the washer bottle. Now, those are all little things. I mean, they're not anything major, real quick, that car's got a 3.5 V6 motor in it. Now, just so you know, it's got an internal water pump, Zach, and it's got one of those internal water pumps that can literally leak all your engine coolant right directly into your engine oil and take the motor out. So, depending on how many miles are on this vehicle, the most important thing that you could consider doing, if you're going to keep it around and try to avoid car payments, is maybe consider putting a water pump in this thing. And anybody that's got a 3.5 liter motor, Ford, in a front-wheel drive Ford application, it is imperative that you know this, because that water pump will take your motor out faster than anything. Just Google that, Zach, and you can, they've been class action suits and everything else over this stupid water pump in this car, but you need to educate yourself on it just so you know what you're dealing with, and they get a few pennies saved up and maybe get that internal water pump replaced so you don't wind up losing an engine on it. That, like I said, these other things would be the least of your problem if you lose a motor. So look into that, educate yourself on it, let us know if we can help you with it, and thanks for your call.
Thank you so much, Zach. We appreciate you popping on for a few seconds. Let's just try and take one more caller before the break.